Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into AOL account. So now without any further delay, let's get started with the process. So first of all, launch AOL application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you are here at the top left corner of your screen just beside news, you can see a person-like icon. So simply tap on that icon at the top left corner. With that, you'll see the option of sign in. Tap on it. Now, simply tap on continue. With that, you'll come across this page. Now, over here, you have to enter your username, email, or mobile number. So in my case, I'm just going to enter my email address here. Now, simply tap on next. Now, you have to enter your password. Now, after entering your password, tap on next again. With that, in a matter of seconds, you'll be logged into your AOL account. So by following these easy steps, you'll be able to log into your AOL account as well. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.